Kablay pi baro asha katup kubor jungi ko Don Bosco Media Network. Tini pashosh ki mat ki bakongsan. Dawa Pinkalaya ka Mausan Ram Community and Rural Development Block shaka Civil Subdivision. Ka Judge Ben Rio ka Yaki, kumno ka DC ka ay show cause notice tangi ki Henry Ngut, ka Sur ki Nong West. Shemjing ki Nong Tre ka MCCL ba klempat yo tulop la bon benai. But penkub burom ka School St. Anthony si ki kena puli bawan chakmat ha ka examine SSLC but HSSLC embos. Tementai ni pash ki kubor ki bakam benya. Tapen long mentakas ni ya ka jing ya mirjing mod but ki kenhun pen mi marrep hapo ka jing betin linti jong ka farmer collectivization for upscaling production and marketing system ha district library auditorium min tong juwai. Habakren kumukong sanha katika program, UPK Boro, Additional Deputy Commissioner but Project Director DRDA West Chantia Hills, ulapan slur yaki nongreb bakin pendon kam yaki jingera ba ay ka sorkar, but kintiyo yaka jingtib, but yaka jingpen mi marreb.
To upscale their knowledge, how to produce more for the survival and to contribute towards the building of the state and the nation to play a very, very active role. As the director from St. Anthony Development Society has put it on you. The moment we get some grants, we take it very, very badly. There is no planning. There is no planning at all. When you say planning, we take it a very big word. Actually, planning starts from home. If we think it, actually it starts from home. It's very simple. You know, per day or per month, how many liters of mustard we buy. How many rice we need to consume this rice for our family. How many soap we buy. How many shirts or other things we purchase day to day. If we calculate that thing in terms of economics, it's also planning. Without planning, we cannot move forward. You know that at home, be poor and rich people, we have planning. Some family they need 5 kg rice, or maybe 6 or 8.
Ustarwell Paduna, Assistant Manager Amlarem Block, hakajing batay jong uhalor kapang farmer collectivization for upscaling production and marketing system. Ulay ito bikin dong rem kilala banyo shibun ki jingerap na kasorkar.
Nan ada survey ni syong lang sijaka or ki blusno na syong kero her pag ni pilu jumon. Ubana no her ni somre. Kidon kisno ki ba dio somre hakador sispa ka sikilo. Kidon kisno kiba diu somret hagaro lais pak sempurna kasih kilo. Kidon kisno kiba diu somret hagaro sas pak kasih kilo. Kata orang mereka keju kamu. Hari ini kapan baik pang, yakin orang paling itu yo sas pak, paling ngap dengan yo sispa. Nama ya kakam ini kamu kelihatan ini hari Allah kelihatan juga. Maka jemput dempol dengan pada beliau jemput orang orang kawan mak yang kejingan jengai kah, panjang kita jemput berper, lagi dijemput berper jauh kah, lagi dijemput hak berdei, maka kemudian berkat panjang. Tiada tahun ini kini program kita sini dah sampai hang syata. Kemudian bah mengikuti orang menghap pada beliau jemput ha ya kata. Nah hari ini kita ada ini TV, beliau semua nasi syata. Bau sosau upaikan saking kasih kilo. Di kumlu pada ada pinasau di saking kasih kilo ada hayu budi mempuai musim kau kasar. Kita kejim, kita kigam kepada pedang.
Kekenhun kiseng balang Mausan Ram CNRD Block henne kesngi. Kilalit ya kendo yo menteri rang baka jela ukon wat ki sangma bandawa penkelano ya ka Mausan Ram Community and Rural Development Block syaka Civil Subdivision. Habakan skilap thai khubor uba Himalaya Shangpliang uba long MLA ka Mausan Ramulaong. Baka jinglet kinduyo menteri ka jela kalong ka basaiso bat ula ongru ba na kaliang menteri rangba un shim kya halor katika jingdawa jongki. Bat ula ongru ba watla ki bon ki bala dawa ban yo civil subdivision ha ka jela hindrai menteri rangba ula ong baka Mausan Ram ka dehok ban yo ka civil subdivision.
Leader of the board of the NGOs, and they have invited me and the MDC to be part of this delegation to meet the Chief Minister to demand the civil subdivision. We had a very fruitful discussion with the Honourable Chief Minister. Chief Minister was very positive in his approach. He said that he would be examining the matter, he would be looking into this aspect, though there are many demands for civil subdivisions across the state. There is a demand from Laskin area, there is a demand from Patarkma, there is a demand from other areas as well, including Mausan Ram. And therefore, he considered it very positive that Mausan Ram should be given a subdivision. And I appeal to the Chief Minister that he would not have to spend much money if civil subdivision is considered to Mausan Ram, for the reason that Mausan Ram already has a lot of infrastructures. It has an SDO PHE office already, SDO MSCB already. It has two SDO PWDs with one division where engineers sit. Then we have the Brahmaputra Board Office, we have CWC, Central Water Commission, and several other offices under the soil conservation as well. So the headman of the Mausan Ram, who was also accompanied in the delegation, also assured to provide land for the construction of the complex of the civil subdivision in Mausan Ram. Therefore, I appeal to the Chief Minister.
Habe krem ilba last born Shangpliang ibalong irang ba asnong ka Mausan Ram ilaong. Bakala DA ka Mausan Ram ban yo ka civil subdivision namar ka jingdawa ka civil subdivision kala don nadu kisnem prapo ter. Hindrei kamshim lala urlong hadu menta. Badula ongru bakalong ka jing ikipat ba kathan bakalong ka ba ba ban wan shad usha office DC ban wan pendep tang ikam ibaret ru.
Hei maulos ngap khantam mauru ulawan banyan ya ba area jong ka than jong isi lekle jong mat lai thu i ba la i ji baro ki breu ge kendo la kalong denti ke sengkiang ro ha bat jengah ha kalau tak jenglut jengsat jong bubut bentuk di tang tak ikam di baret long malar kapan CDC office sesuatu di ngau ba kani ke jingwan jongi apa yang di misang halang ini ki nong lam shop tu ban dia ban na ka nong ni nong macam ni amli misi par ke jinga kendu ko chief kalau i ba kidan ki positive side kalian jongi par ke ko bo kren snap skor ha par ka pa ma uhi ulai jio ondan ulai tip hai ke jinga jong fan jongi ko la polisi bon ki ngingit scam ba ko jinga lam jongi aku bawa bicara di cenderung kampar ya coba ini soal kita kami kini kubur tadi suku jia kayo bal finansu.
Once ngolem ka surjong kin Nong West ya ka yeng ka sem jong upa Chesterfield thank you ubala sha siat yap ha ki pulit ha ka step perngap jong ka khatlai tarik ubenai nailar arhajar arpoi ha yeng sa jong u ha maulai kenton masar. Habai crunch kilap thai khubor uba lum langkar siemle uba long unong lam ktien ka surjong ki Nong West ula pen pawe ka jing sngo diaw bakum ka ni ka jing ja ban shim jindat ya ka jing embryo ka ja ha ka briu neutrep. Ulai thuru ban nakal yang jong ka sur ki Nong West kilap pen ram jori ka jing le jong ki pulit ban shim ya ka jing embryo. Shu nakal yang ka sur ki Nong West kilai thu bakin don lang bat ka yeng ka sem jong ba che bat ka sur ki Nong Maulai ban dawa ya ka hok jong uba Chesterfield thank you. Bat ka sengkal apen remru ya ka jing ai pan show kos ya ki hin riungut ki Nong Elam ka sur ki Nong Maulai da ka DC ka East Khasi Hills District. Berkila aburu ka jingkeli, balai tang henriungun ha ka jing sisa la di ban aya barokhan na marka de ka jing ki de ki pat ba ka bri nyau trap.
Bri nyau trap nak liang kasur jong kino west haka kundai trek jong kunai baladap na agos mila punong ya kali ka. But hadin kane nak liang jong ngila perkhat ngilawan ba sengolem ya kini yang kesam mang ni kapor tar angkat gurum ki kun ki ti ki man ki jong i ba cheris bala klap no. Ba nak liang jong i kasur jong kino west hadu mentah nginang penpau hi kajuk ka thong kolong ba ke ba ka ying kasam kasur jong kino molai kalek ngi kersan ya ke ka benta ka baki ti ya chakmat nak liang jong ngi wan hang le de mesim studio ai men sim ban ha ka kubor sengolem syaki ba ying ba sam ni akum ju ka por wan kungkis samlah kersan yang kau hasil ngilau jok lu ban penong jungkai lam nantak ni kasam bah ngin kerku gerdo ikun kiti dak se oi walang iladu no yo ni rong ba ibrei la bagas jeng sim jeng kibor wadan haka la banong ngana ki police department kala sim ki jeng im jeng i rengis ngungu pat dak se kala long lemba ka jeng khat no ke jeng i oi walang iladu yo we rong ba jeng ka jai ndrei pa isungu lomba ka jeng khat ke jeng i ngi yo i ya ka jeng ya teli jeng ki jai ndrei ka jeng i keleng ki jaka wada west Kazil district Hais Kazil berkumju ro nadu kasur jeng mulai berparok ki ngila long ke beteli lase kani long ke jeng kerku kadai ka plan ka ba national landet jeng nongbu nong thau jeng i ba kani ke lenti te nak leng jeng i kasur jeng nong west hadu mentang ngidang yang hi ban kersan ya ke ba i sur jeng nong mulai ngidang ya chakmat kumju ko porong ngi kersan ya ka yeng kasem bangi de ban yo ya ka jeng bisar ke bahok nam tai ni rang ba te ya ke ju ko por kum kasur jeng nong west ro ni penram ya ka deputy commissioner jong ka East Kazil district ibala pha ya ka syukos notice hakin ki ndrungut ki ro rang ba jong ka molai ajisya ni solongo ya ni banta esila daga dai kum kata la dai ngila ngat lang nomor borok si ka jai budu ka laki te on ai syukos notice tang ndai la jet gi ndrungut te nakaliang jongi ai man sim ni girang ba ya chakma nakaliang jongi kersan but let's say nakaliang jong ki bor badai berpek let's say ki don ke ba pressure na lendat let's say sa poi do kan ni lewat kata nakaliang jongi ni ai muslim ki but ni kersan let's say nakaliang jongi hakanu guru por ba kajai pendu golong badon kam na kasur jong west ilong ba klai ba mi chakmat nam ta
Kinong tre ka mau mulu Chera Cement Limited ha ka pratarik unai lur hajar arpawai kilale ajing tho shaki emily bami kmat naki seng sang himasi ma baper bakin yakren ya taya thir ha ka dorbar senrai jong ka sarkar jilla kaban sedang ha ka shipotrik minta ubanai Habakren skilap tai kubor ubapin skemling do ubalong o General Secretary ulaong. Bakin nong tre ketika karkhana ki shemjing shibun namar ka sarkar kam sngap lemi ka jing kabiki kindo nado baki klem la shu ban pen mi dewilat. Bula ongru baki klem pat yo ki tulap jongki mentala bun benai.
The status of the factory and the non-payment of the salary. We have given the memorandum to all the political parties because we understand that all the political parties, whether from the different party, they have to come together to an understanding that MCCL is a state asset, and we are, as the worker, we are also the asset of the state. So we request you at this point of time that to take this information to all the relevant authorities, whether in the ruling, whether in the opposition, that we are the state asset, that as long as the MCCL plan will not run, the problem of our financial problem will keep piling up. We understand that these months government has given us some financial assistance, but you have to understand that financial assistance is just a consolidated payment. It's not the same as the salary, and that's why we come again to appeal to all the concerned authorities that to please speed up the process, whether we are going forward with any option that the government has given, that the plan should run. That is the main thing.
Mentakasngi na kalian kinong penyat ke School St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, kilapan ko buram gi kena pule ki bawan cakman haka examen kelas 10 but 12 jong ka embos. Haga ni ka program la don lang i Father Jivan Lakra Rector ka STC, Father Anthony Karkongor, Father Anthony Walang Vice Principal, kinong hikai but balakot kat pangru iya kini gi kena but ya ki kemeki pa jong ki ban yo bentalang haga ni ka jingpen ko buram ki. Na kalian kini gi kena haba ya keren berka Don Bosco Media Network kila ai kuble ya ka school ya ki kime ki pa ki men ki para kena ba ya pulilang ba ya kinong hikai ki bela ya rab ki ban poi sha ka thong
te no pin ai ke jing sungo ka bakra kam ta ka ni ka jing jap
ning kong eng akak ban ai kuble ai ngo ye uble la ai nga kan di ka bor bangan pule ya ki lessons pa janga nga ai kuble ya ki nong hikai ru janga but I me janga I henman janga but barok ki paralog ki ba yarap yang ban ponga pule ponga nga yarap lang ki nga kham su thop ha ya ki jing pule but kitu parok ha
te madak sing ka school ka ko borang phede ko ni slow
ngala so kemen nomor ba kan ni ka achievement ma kalong ni ka ba he ba nga because ngala na tu men try ngala kwa ban long kini ki top 10 am tang bang nga try nga ai nga bobek to 100% effort and menta kadu ngala yo kan ni ka top 10
la ban ai message
ka message ka bang kwa ban ai ki khana ta ka de ban puli bet ya ki puli bhai ki ko chung phi le ya ki wiki activities tu ti tang ha ka kon tang ba puli ya ki wiki kon puli le ya ki wiki activities join ya ki club high school le agi participate agi sports kat ki program ki ba ki yo participate le long all rounder ka bang tin pharing ma long all rounder in books and in other activities also.
Nakaliang u principal ka school I Father Anthony Karkongor ila ay ka jing kuble ki kena ki balawan ra burom ka school da ka jing trace dom jongki ringkat ka jing era bat ka jing kersan lang ki meki pa ki men ki para bat ki nong hikai ila kenturu bakin ay ya ka babhata ma ka jing em ka jongki knang bakin yo ke barabor ya ki so jong ka jing
of commending and appreciating the students. It is a speech of not dictating but elevating, not a speech of patronizing but a speech of eulogizing on the achievement of our great erudite of our school. When we celebrate the great achievement, I am recalled with the poem that the class 12 are studying to the pupils of Hindu College. Here the poet portrays the emotions of a teacher seeing his students excelling in life. And our teachers too must have been said the same. What joyous reigns upon me when I feel fame in the mirror of futurity. Yes, the teachers, the schools are opening doors to the students. And it is the duty of the students to get inside and make use of all the opportunities. And I'm sure these students who have come up in great position, it is because they have made use of the opportunities. Things have not been futurity, things have not shattered, but it has bear fruit. And today it's a special day wherein our teachers have a sense of satisfaction, a sense of happiness, seeing that students have not wasted their time. Teachers' efforts and work have not been in vain, but have indeed brought fruits through the hard work the students have put in. Therefore, I wish bright future to these students of ours, and may God continue to guide and protect them wherever they are. God bless and thank you.
Badagi di kubor ngila apoy siya bakun, tak ada bangini siyem biang kublay sibon.